How's it going, everyone? I want to go over and make a quick video on MSTR, as this one is talked a lot about, and as Bitcoin is rising, this one is going to follow pursuit. And as you can see, look at this daily chart here. I haven't made a video in quite some time as I was at Florida, but this is definitely one I would look to short as this is due for a correction. I was talking about in the Discord. Um, Before the market opened, I wanted to get SMST as this is the inverse. It's a little safer than buying options. And basically, when MSTR goes down, this is going to start rising. So as you can see on the smaller time frame, you see that we touched 469 and then we started going up from here. And there's just this little move that you can see how fast this moves compared to MSTR because it's the 2x inverse. Let me see if I can find the data price range. This was a simple 12% move in a matter of 10 minutes. So this thing can get going fast, right? So here is MSTR. Let's find the chart here. This is the daily candle. This is what I want to see. I would like to definitely see it like overextended a lot, and now we are definitely at that point. We did not touch this EMA 5 on this candle here, so these two candles are 2 days of not touching this EMA 5. And as you can see, when we have a lot of time distance from the EMA 5, you can see where with the correlation of hitting this upper band, price tends to come back to it. And that's really what I would love to see the most is I love this area for a beautiful short. This was a beautiful short here. As you can see, we had this EMA 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 daily candles right in here, not touching it. And then we had this big move down to touch it to a T. Now, could it have gone through this level? Absolutely, and touched the 10. But this is a great move to continue the uptrend. Would I want to buy MSTR up in here? I mean, absolutely not. This is just throwing a dart and trying to get lucky and to see if it gaps up and keeps going up. I would not want to buy it up in here. Your buying points are your EMA 5. EMA 5, the 10, which is the yellow, and then 20 is the blue. Obviously, I love the 20 the best because that gives you your best risk versus reward. A lot of times when I see the trend pretty strong, though, I will take the EMA 10. So as you can see too, the thing that does worry me is we haven't touched this EMA 20 since 9/18, and the reason why that's important because anything that don't touch the EMA 20 in 2 months is long. So you can kind of see how we have this run up here. We touched this EMA 10. This is the best area for a trend continuation, in my opinion, because you just now got all your EMA spread out, and then you had this nice reversion to the mean on the 10, and this is where you start going up here. So this right here is your entry for the long to continue the trend. That's where I would look to buy MSTR. The reason why I would rather short it is because we're just too far extended. And you can see we touch the 10 here, we go up, go here and touch the 10, go up, go here, touch the 10, touch the 10, and you just keep making money and money and money. This right here, we broke through it, but your stop loss will be under the 20, as that will be an invalid trade. But then again, we went up here, the market's not perfect, and we go up again, and this thing has just been going up and up and up. We touch the 5, we go up. Now, would I like to short MSTR up in here? Absolutely. This is playing two sides of the coins. We know price is going to come back to the 5, the 10, and then the 20. But obviously, as price goes up, the EMAs go up. So we know we have massive time distance to the 20. This could easily do a pattern like this where it just goes plummeting down to the 20 and make a 34% down move. I've seen it happen. Obviously, I don't think it can do it. It probably won't do it in one day. It'll probably do it in multiple. But that's kind of the thing that I can see. And then where you would like to buy, I would much rather buy at the 20 since we hit the 10 so many times. You can see like right here, this was a fresh trend, right? We kept hitting the 10 and the 10. Eventually, we will break through this 10, so be cautious. Obviously, yes, you could put an entry here and be like, you know what, I'll take a small loss, about 7%, you can use the data price range and be like, yeah, I'll do like a 7% loss down here. If it breaks this, then I don't want it anymore. But a lot of the times what I often see is, you had this massive trend. We often tend to break through the 5 and the 10 and even the 20 when there's this big massive move like this. But this is a different type of trend, right? We haven't seen this. This was a lot of consolidation right here. As you can see, we've just been going up and down. This is choppy. This is the first time where we have a solid trend where the EMAs are up, right? As you can see right here, you see how, if you did want to start a fresh trend, you would still have made money on this candle here, taking it near the 10, and look at this big move up. And then the 20, you had this big move up. These are pretty nice entries you can get, 19% from that 20. And then a strict stop loss just under the 20, because you don't want a pattern like this when the EMA 20 is above everything, you start seeing this act as resistance. You see how it perfectly hits the 20? That's algos taking it up and taking it down. And that's really where you would look to short it now. For a trend continuation down. And obviously it can change at any moment. We could start hitting it. It starts getting weaker. The EMA 5 starts curling up. And you can see when you start consolidating, this is when it gets dicey, as now the trends are shifting when the EMAs are tight. But once they're spread out like this, for example, like we have right now, this is definitely uptrend, clear as day. Bitcoin can keep going up from there. And we're testing these highs. So, yeah, let me look at Bitcoin too. As we can see, I think it's BitUSD or something to see it. I don't have it on here. Now that's Bitcoin. So, yeah, I don't see it on here on Webull. But you can see, but yeah, MSTR is going to follow. MSTR is going to follow. But yeah, that's about it for that. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you want to join the Discord, click the link down below in the YouTube comments below. I'll put my link there, and it'll be in the YouTube comments pinned. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts system. It'll be in the description. It'll take you to this free chat landing page if you want to join. And this right here will give you the system that I talked about right here, where we try to get reversals, right? You can do two sides of the trades, right? You get a continuation of the trend, or you do the trend reversal. As you can see now, we're way above this ATR4. We might see a pattern like this where you kind of staircase it up here, but do keep in mind the EMA 5 will get touched, and that's why I kind of want to see how much EMA 5 TD we can get from this. That would be the best case scenario. And as you can see, SMST is going to go down as MSTR goes up. But if you don't want to trade options, this is the best thing, in my opinion, to do. But yeah, that's about it. Click the link down below in the YouTube comments below. It'll be pinned. It'll say join the premium Discord. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. Please read how to subscribe if you want to be a part of the community. Avoid scammers, as I'll never message you or DM you first. Easiest way to subscribe is just hit day trade alerts, and that will give you the access to the highest membership. And you can see how I'll post screenshots and stuff. Like yesterday, I was in gold puts due to the day trading strategy. But you can hit server shop here, and you can see the two memberships I offer. Whatever fits your budget. Swing trading is $6. Day and swing trading plus, where you give you day trades and swing trades. Day trading is definitely my favorite. I find more consistency in it because you don't have to hold as long. You get in and out of trades, and it's just a lot more fun. So I offer that for only $12 a month. And you'll have access to all these subscriptions. And I do live streams if you have any questions. And there's also education videos to watch, like day trading education and swing trading. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this analysis. MSTR, I'm watching for the downside. We'll see what it does here. I'm also looking at the K value. It is at 89. I'd love to see like over 90 for best results. So we'll see, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys in the Discord.